In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed forms in the Gamma app. Whether you're using Gamma for team collaboration, project management, or just organizing your workflow, embedding forms can be a powerful way to integrate external data and streamline processes. So let's dive into the steps to get your forms embedded quickly and easily. First, make sure you're logged into your Gamma account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so. It's the only way you'll have access to your projects and spaces within the app. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Gamma dashboard, which houses all your projects. Here, you'll navigate to the specific project where you intend to embed a form. Simply click on the relevant project to open it. With your project open, you'll need to choose the specific space where you'd like to place your form. If you're unfamiliar with the layout here, don't worry. Every project in Gamma is organized into spaces, making it easier to categorize and section different elements of your work. Click on the chosen space to proceed. Now within this space, all you need to do is type form into the command field. This command is the key to accessing various form embedding options that Gamma offers. Upon entering the command, you'll be presented with a selection of form types. For this example, let's focus on Jot form, a popular option for creating and managing custom forms. Once you see the list of available options, click on Jot form. This action will prompt you to enter the URL of the form you'd like to embed. If you've already created a form on Jot form, simply copy its URL and paste it into the designated field in Gamma. If you haven't, be sure to set up your form on JotForm first, as you'll need that URL for the embed to work properly. After you've entered the form's URL, the magic happens. The Gamma app will display your form right there in the space. It's now integrated into your project, ready for interaction. This integration is handy for collecting data, facilitating responses, and managing form submissions all within the context of your ongoing work in Gamma. So there you have it. Embedding forms in Gamma is straightforward and incredibly useful for anyone looking to make their projects more dynamic. This process not only enhances the functionality of your app, but also saves you time by bringing all your tools under one digital roof. Remember, using embedded forms can truly elevate your workflow, making it simpler to gather information and collaborate. Feel free to revisit these steps as needed and experiment with embedding different types of forms to see what works best for your projects. Thank you for joining me today, and happy form embedding.